All right, a very special morning to the Uptown Dollar community and happy weekend. Today is Friday, the 7th of March, 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, um, within this community of cash flow family of the Uptown Dollar Club, I just noticed that I have just developed this habit that I am beginning to love so much, the habit of cashing out money every single day from the Uptown Dollar Club. No apology, ladies and gentlemen. So I think this is my new banking system. This is my new banking system because I no longer leave money in my Naira bank account. Why will I leave money in my Naira bank account when I can actually put that money in the Uptown Dollar business? And every time I need whatever amount of money I need, even if I need 2,000 naira, 5,000 naira, 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira, I can simply just pick it out from the Uptown withdrawal system, which gives us the flexibility to withdraw even as low as $1. So guys, I want to quickly do what I call pick up, withdrawing from a couple of 5 accounts that I have. All right, so this is here is a 3 days earning because on this account I'm on level 3. I earn $1.3 every day. So seeing $3.90, this is a accumulation of 3 days earning, and right now I want to withdraw it. All right, so when I'm done withdrawing from this account, I will go to other accounts that I have and as well withdraw from those accounts. So as usual, I will click withdraw, and like I said, when I'm through withdrawing from this account, I will proceed to other accounts, and that is my that is the character or the attitude that I've just picked up recently. So now I am asked to confirm, so I click confirm. You understand? That's the habit I have now, the habit of withdrawing money anytime I need money. Otherwise, if I don't need money for anything urgent, I return such money instead of leaving that money to lie redundant in my Naira account. I just put that money into effective use. So let me check my dashboard. I believe I've done this withdrawal on this account. So let me proceed to the next account. I have just withdrawn from account ID 4. So let me go to account ID 6. You cannot have a system so tantalizing like this and still be poor. Okay, as you can see, this is my account 2, and I have also earned here again $3.90 because I'm earning $1.30 from each of these accounts, and in 3 days it has given me $3.90 on that account. So I hit withdrawal again. By the time I pick this money from the total of 5 accounts that I have, that would amount to very good money. And the beauty of it is that this is just income for 3 days. All right, this is just income for 3 days. As you see, the withdrawal is successful. So I go to account ID 9, which is my third account. Account ID 9. So join me as I swing into account ID 9 As you can see, what do I have here? Wow, I have $6.70, and I hit withdrawal. Man, I think I'm going to give myself and my family a good treat. Anyway, this is not new anyway, because I do this quite often. I'm withdrawing $6.70 on this account. That's account ID 9. All right, I think I've already exceeded $10 right now. So let me go to account ID 8. Account ID 8, because I'm operating 5 accounts. Just imagine, by the time the community grew bigger, and I am managing 5 accounts, covering level 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, earning from a multiple of 5 levels in each of these accounts. Okay, and maintaining this account till the global team gets to level 16, 17, 18, 19, and even 20. Wow, that means I'm going to be earning nothing less than between $100 to $200 every single day, guys. Now I have a $2.10 on this account. Let me withdraw also. Okay, like I used to tell us, there are times for seed sowing. There are times you sow seed, then there are times you harvest from the seed that you have sown. So let me withdraw from this again, $2.01. I'm just picking them up. I think this is my 4th account now. Now let me go to the 5th account. All right, let me go to the 5th account. Like I said, the 5th account is ID 13. So like I said, you can't have a business like this and still be poor. It's impossible. ID 13 is my last earning account. Okay, so let's see what I have here. And okay, $2.10 as well. So let me withdraw. Now I'm withdrawing from my 5 accounts. 5 accounts. This is so we do what we teach. This is an evidence to prove that we do what we teach. We do what we preach. So we do not just preach and encourage you to get committed, to get serious without we being serious. All right. So now I have withdrawn from the total of my 5 accounts. But previously I actually had like $14 in my wallet. So $14. Now I have a total of $33. Wow. Now with this $33, I believe it will take care of a lot of domestic issues here. And after 3 days or 4 days, I'm coming back to withdraw again. After another 3 days or 4 days again, I'm coming back to withdraw. Each time I get some reasonable money to withdraw, and I find out that I actually do not really need something pressing, something serious to do with the money. What I do is to return the money back to the system in a way of creating more accounts to increase and improve my income for subsequent earning, for a better subsequent earning. So guys, you don't have to dilly-dally about a system like this. Okay, get set, get to action, and begin to plant for yourself now, so that during harvest time you will harvest bountifully. Thank you, and God bless you. God bless the community of Uptown Dollar. God bless the Uptown Dollar project, and thank you all for watching. Okay, in addition to this, we should just get ready for the decentralized e-commerce platform that is coming up. We are all going to enjoy it. Bye bye for now. I'll see you in my next update.